have rolled out a tremendous amount of capability there.
Mhm.
What can we expect 2 to 3 years from now in regards to the capability that'll be unlocked and enabled using your platform?
So I think the overarching story is going to be platforms of all kinds. And
Mm-hmm.
as David noted, more and more
Great example
agencies
there.
are utilizing platforms. But what are they going to be doing on the platforms? I think there's going to be, I think we're going to see low code application development be the norm for agency mission applications of a certain kind, right? There's a level of complexity where maybe you need to build something from scratch, but many of the applications I worked on during my career are things that are based on workflow that can be built using low code tools. The challenge for CIOs, I think, is to have good guardrails and governance as these tools stand up and they're presented out to a program office to use. So, there's comfort that things will be developed in a way that they can be managed well over time. And I think you add to that low code movement, this idea of hyper automation, bringing different technologies together on a platform like ServiceNow, again, to interact in a way that they can't as their standalone technologies. So you have something like RPA, you have workflow, you have AI. You put these together on the ServiceNow platform and you can really automate business processes end to end. And to the extent that we have to focus our employees on different tasks as the environment changes, as government requirements change, the more automation of the simple things, I think that's a very positive trend. And I think we're not taking away people's jobs. We're getting people focused on more important work, the most important work of an agency. And we can do that on ServiceNow today. And I think over the next 2 to 3 years, you're going to see more and more situations where agency leaders turn to ServiceNow and hyperautomation and low code. So IT workers or workers in the agency can focus on the most important tasks that they have at hand, which is serving the mission, supporting people during what we expect to be a very challenging time for the country.